Hi traders, before we get into today's analysis, I just wanted to give you a personal invitation to my free Forex trading webinars. You can register by using the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's now get into the charts. Now the Aussie yen did decline last week but managed to finish on a positive note, and it's been trying to move below 95.73 weekly support, this high over here, but closing back above by the end of the week. So are we making some form of a base here to move higher? So the key level to watch at the start of the week at 95.73. Will that hold as support to move up to retest 96.87 monthly resistance? Of course, we've got the interest rate decision for the Aussie on Tuesday, so we could move below 95.73. That's the clear level to watch through the course of the week. Does it act as support or break and become resistance? Alright traders, on to the Aussie dollar. Interest rate decision on Tuesday, as I've just said. Decline last week, it's just testing 66.62 to 66.74 broken support. Will this area hold as resistance this week for a move down to retest day support 66.04, and can we come down to test weekly support at 65.73? Of course, closing above this area would potentially mean that we're moving back up the range. Okay, moving on to Euro Yen. Now still holding this very strong uptrend. It is trending up a little bit slower. We're now forming levels of daily chart support and resistance, so we've moved above 156.92. Will that become support now for the new week to move up to break above 157.99? So will 156.92 be support this week, or a move up to challenge 157.99 day resistance, and can we come up to test 158.59 long-term weekly resistance? So the trend is holding, it is just slowing down, so can it continue up and target 158.59 weekly resistance? Alright traders, move on to Euro dollar. Now we've formed some kind of head and shoulder pattern here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Was unable to move below day support though at 108.44, and we did actually finish positive for the week. So are we able to move down to retest support and continue the decline in line with that head and shoulder pattern, or are we simply forming some kind of consolidation here, and do we see a revisit of 109.70 this week? So it's a little bit mixed there come the close of Friday. Can that head and shoulder pattern dominate the move for a move below 108.44 this week? Okay, moving on to pound yen. Very similar to the euro yen, it is still holding its trend, just slowing down a little bit, and it's moved above day resistance at 182.12 and formed a level of resistance at 183.75. So can we hold at 182.12 for a move above 183.75 this week, and still targeting towards the 188.80 monthly resistance level? So the trend is slowing down a little bit, still holding its trend. Can we target that 188.80 monthly resistance level through the course of July? Okay, last pair to review for the weekend, pound dollar. Now we did decline last week, and we did actually finish just down for the week, but we weren't able to close below the 126.79 weekly support level. Closed below for 2 days, but by the end of the week we were just back above. Now this is showing a daily chart downtrend, so is that going to hold? Can we move back below 126.79, moving down to target 125.44 this week? So the key level to watch at the start of the week is 126.79. Do we start to hold above it, or do we move below it? is it going to be support or resistance through the course of the week? Of course, the higher time frame trend weekly is up, so we may just hold above 126.79 and start to move above the last lower top. So key level to watch at the start of the week, 126.79, to start to act as support or hold as resistance. Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.